Hello students, hope you all are safe, fine, taking care of yourself and studying well also. Hope you are going through all the videos and understanding the chapter very well. Now let us start our fifth chapter, that is plants around us. We know there are different plants around us. Some plants are big, some plants are small, some plants they grow in water, some plants they grow on land. So we will discuss about the different plants around us one by one in this chapter. Before starting the chapter, let us go through the hard words. Shed. Shed means to let fall something down. You can say let down something, or when something is falling down, it is called shed. Then we have plains. Plains means it is a large flat area. Rainforest. It is a thick forest in hot regions or hot places where most of the time it rains. So when it rains fully, these forests are called rainforest and they are very thick, and thick means dense. Orchids. Orchids means the land where fruit trees are grown. Grove means the area where a particular type of fruit trees can be found or grown. Arctic Circle or Arctic region, that means it is the area near the North Pole that is permanently frozen. Frozen means full of ice or snow. So as the sunlight cannot reach there directly, most of the time they are in the frozen condition. So that is near the North Pole, so that part is called Arctic region. Fibers, they are the thin threads. So the thin bundle of thin threads or group of thin threads are called fibers. Now students, we know that we can find the plants all around us. These plants, they are of different sizes, different shapes, and with different types of leaves, different types of flowers and different types of fruits also. So we can find different varieties of plants around us. Now let us talk about trees. The big, tall and strong plants are called trees. They have a thick, strong and woody stem, right? So that is called the trunk. So we know, if we see the parts of the plant, what are the different parts of the plant? Stem, roots, leaves, like branches, fruits and flowers. Or we can say flowers and fruits, right? So the stem, it is the middle part of the plant that absorbs, that helps to give the nutrients and water to different parts of the plant that you have learned in your earlier classes. Now the trees, they have this very thick stem and it is very strong stem and woody. Woody means something like the color of the wood. So that is woody. They have a protective layer on the stem. So the protective layer, the thick protective layer on the stem is called bark. So you can find on the trees, the surface is very rough, isn't it? You can see the surface of the stem or the surface of the trunk is very rough. So that is the protective layer of the tree, that is called bark. The trees can have many branches. So it's not that one or two, they are full of branches, full of leaves. Some trees, they can, even the trees, they can grow for many years. So that is the reason we find the trees like very old. So we can say that trees can live for many years. Some trees, they are evergreen. Evergreen means they are green throughout the year. Green means what? Color of the leaf. So they are full of leaves throughout the year. But some trees, they shed their leaves in a particular time or particular season in a year. So once in a year they shed their leaves, and this is mostly during the autumn. How can we describe autumn? We say trees shed their leaves. So it is the autumn when the trees they shed their leaves. Shed means falling down. So when the leaves they fall down from the trees, that is called shedding the leaves. Right? And again during the spring season you can find the trees full of new beautiful green color leaves. So they shed their leaves in autumn, and again new leaves starts growing in the spring season. There are many trees we can find around us. They are very famous, very common. You can find in all the areas. So these trees are like neem, then we have what is that? Mango, guava, gulmohar, peepal, right? Ashok. So there are many trees you can find all around us. They are very common trees that grows in all the areas. Even the coconuts can be found very common, especially near the coastal areas. So these are the trees that we found mostly around us. So students, other than trees, there are some plants that are small, weak. So we will discuss about them in our next class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day.